ladies and gentlemen, or good afternoon, or where you are. It's Racing Trains for New South Wales Vlogs, and I will be this will just be a very short 2-minute video, just filming the Cowra route 545, Cowra, the centre of Cowra to the Mulliana north side of Cowra and all those things. So yeah, hope you enjoy the bus coming past. And here we have run 545 Hail and Ride, servicing from Cowra to Mulliana and the north side of Cowra. So yeah. So here it is. And here we have Run 545 departing a bus stop at Logan Street in Cowra. It's just people are just paying for their tickets. So yeah, here it departs. So it's a Volkswagen Optimus, a Volvo B8 RLE Euro 5 or 6 chassis. It's the year's 2020, and the registration is 9026 MO, and it was first registered sometime late April this year. Anyway guys, thanks for watching that short vlog. Sorry it was so short, but hope you enjoyed. So please subscribe to my channel, like and favourite my videos, and I'll see you all next time. Thanks for watching Trains for New South Wales Vlogs. Bye bye for now.